And welcome back, everybody. We're currently on another chase down for a chainsaw. This one isn't as long of a drive, and I've bought something from this guy before. If anybody saw the generator I bought, the McCulloch generator, this same guy. This is the last one to complete my lineup for the kart engines for the direct drive. So supposedly, I guess I'll tell what we're going after here. It's a McCulloch 1-71, and he hasn't tested it or anything like that, but the engine is free, and it comes with a 24-inch bar with a chain. Looks to be the original bar for it. So, very short drive. We're just going right up the road here. It's about 10 minutes from my house. So, nice little scenic drive, I guess. So, we'll get on to that here in a moment and everything. We'll get you updated after we pick it up and everything. Look over it here, make sure it's what we're after. But the top says 1-71 on it. He didn't get me the stamped numbers on the case. So, we're gonna go for that. Alright, just got the saw. Did a little chit-chatting, you know. If I'd had the money for all three of them, plus the 3/4 chain that he had, then I would have definitely bought the 3/4 mall scratcher chain, but I ain't got any use for something like that at the moment. So anyways, back there, if there's any excuse, I don't know how well you can see it, but there's the chainsaw right there, and it actually looks like it has a 26-inch bar on it rather than a 24. So when we get home, we'll get that all, get better video and pictures of it, check for spark, and we'll go from there. And we're home with her in really good shape. Oiler works, I just got done testing that. It is indeed a 171, which completes, theoretically, my collection. So it looks like it's barely been used. I mean, it's still got the original chip flap on it. Has a Tilly carb. I don't have a screwdriver on me at the moment. We're gonna see if she's got spark, and if she does, or what we're hoping, put a little fuel down inside her carb and see if she's gonna pop over for us. Oh, that's a good sign there. Good sign. We've got ignition. What you guys think? We've got ignition. I put gas in the tank. The saw's overall super clean, so the starter needs a little attention to it, but dustings. You guys still see it? Yep. All right. Ooh, good sign. Yep. Well, I ran off that prime. Nobody knows how long this has been sitting. Probably 20 years. Diaphragm could have stiffened up on me, but we're always hopeful, right? I think the chain's a little stuck on it. It might not draw tank fuel, but it does pop over, and that's a positive with it.